I've been traveling like crazy for work recently, and that's part of the reason why I haven't been making videos, because I've been so busy. But today I wanted to let you guys in and show you what a typical day in the life looks like when I'm traveling for work. Since my days are booked solid with meetings and my nights are typically spent catching up on work, the only real time I have to myself is the first thing in the morning when I wake up. I have about an hour and I like to use it to go for a run and explore the city, so at least I get to see a little bit of wherever I'm visiting. When I get back from my run, I make a beeline for the shower because, like I said, I have very limited time and I gotta get in, get showered, and get ready for the day as quick as possible so I'm not late for my meetings. So with that has come a very abridged makeup routine, just a little bit of eyeshadow, swipe of mascara, some concealer, a little bit of blush, and voila, you are good to go. I always plan my outfits when I'm packing, so it's just a matter of going to the closet and picking up whatever I'm wearing for the day. And then it's back to the bathroom to curl my hair and put the finishing touches on my look before quickly grabbing my things and heading out for the day. So quick OOTD before we are off to a full day of board meetings. Turning this into a mini vlog, I just got back from an 8-hour-long board meeting. Now we are going on some sort of surprise adventure. I don't know, the CEO and CFO love surprises, so we're doing some cool activity. So board meetings can be a little extra fun sometimes when you've got a great group like this. Already pretty tired considering how early I got up, but staying strong. I'm sure I'm gonna have to work really late tonight, so gonna enjoy this afternoon while I can enjoy dinner, and then come back and just crank it out. So I just got back to the hotel room. It's now 11:30 at night and we just finished up from dinner and walked home. So really long dinner. It was an amazing restaurant that basically rotated really slowly so you couldn't feel it, but over the course of 2 hours you see the entire city from like a 360-degree view. So that was amazing. Now I'm back in the hotel room and I have so much work to do. So I'm about to take off my makeup, put on a face mask, and get to work. One thing I've learned with all of this traveling is that it's so important to take good care of your skin, especially when you're on flights and your skin gets really dehydrated. So I make an effort to do a sheet mask every night to just restore some of the moisture in my skin. And so I just put that on for 20 to 30 minutes while I do some work and just let all the good moisture soak into my skin. And that's about it. I just work until I've got all of my work done or until it's so late that I just have to go to bed and finish things in the morning, because the next day I get to start all over again. So for now, I'm going to say goodnight to you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.